So imagine a world where your computer can learn anything you can and more. Well, now imagine another world where AI doesn't need to learn at all, just answer fast and with perfect accuracy. Well, these are two entirely different paths in the evolution of artificial intelligence. Now, artificial general intelligence, AGI, and answer engine optimization, AEO. Well, today I'm going to dive into what sets them apart, how each works, and where they're taking us. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to ClayDesk. My name is Syed, an IT enterprise architect, and I'm going to dive deep into AGI and AEO. So, what exactly is AGI? Let's start with AGI first. Artificial General Intelligence is the idea of an AI that can think like a human, not just do one task, but literally any task. So right now, for example, we've got narrow AI, right? Like Siri can tell you the weather. That's pretty common. ChatGPT can write your essay, right? Or an article. Midjourney can draw you an image, right? The way you want. But they're each great at just one kind of thing. Now, AGI, on the other hand, would be like a super intelligent intern that can learn anything, adapt to any job, and just keeps getting better with experience. You could ask it to write a novel or write up a business plan or help design a rocket engine. At the same time, it wouldn't just complete the task, but it would understand the task and critically, and maybe even come up with new ideas. Now, let me give you a real-world example right here. Honestly, we don't have one yet, right? AGI doesn't exist in practice, but things are moving pretty fast. But think of sci-fi characters like Jarvis from Iron Man or anything from Star Trek, right? Those are AGIs that can learn, make decisions, improvise, and even form opinions. Now, that's the level we're talking about. Now, what would we use it for, right? Now, everything is the answer. From medicine, from education, business, climate modeling, even scientific research. Now, imagine an AGI that's like 10,000 Einsteins working 24/7 for you. That's the dream and also the fear, right? Because if a machine gets smarter than a human, we'd start to wonder, what are we here for? Let me give you some additional use cases. For example, autonomous scientific research, right? Now, what happens is that in the field of medicine or universal virtual assistant, another example, strategic decision-making and complex real-time environments. All these are examples, right? For example, artificial CEOs, teachers, doctors, engineers, right? We don't need humans, right? So what are the benefits of AGI? Well, there's precedented productivity across industries, that's for sure. Accelerated innovation, for example, drug discovery, climate modeling, right? All those things that takes a lot of time, and massive efficiency gains, right? In healthcare, logistics, you name it. So what is the future of AGI? Mostly theoretical, but it's widely considered the holy grail of AI itself. Tech leaders like, for example, OpenAI and DeepMind are actively researching AGI. However, the rise also triggers ethical concerns, right? What happens when machines can outperform humans on everything? Now let's shift to AEO. What about AEO? That sounds different. Now let's swing to something that's not theoretical at all, but practical, which is answer engine optimization, which is happening as we speak, and it's already changing the way businesses and websites operate. So here's the deal about AEO. People used to search Google and get a list of links, right, or websites. That's what traditional SEO was all about, which is search engine optimization is all about. Now you optimize your website to rank higher on Google so people can click your link. Now things definitely are changing. More and more people are asking AI for answers. They go to ChatGPT, they go to Perplexity, they go to DeepSeek, Google AI Experience, right? Or even voice assistants like Alexa and say, what's the best dog food for small breeds? And guess what? You get the AI doesn't give you 10 links, it gives you one answer in paragraph format. One very confident, sometimes very wrong too, at the same time. So AEO is about making your content be that answer. So if you're a pet store with a blog post on top 5 dog foods for small breeds, AEO is the practice of structuring the content so it gets chosen by the AI as the answer. That means using schema markups, writing in clear, direct language using FAQs, tables, and really understanding how AI models digest information. Let me give you some use cases, right? Let's say you run a website on haircut styles like taperfadehub.com. Now with AEO, you optimize your guide so that when someone types best taper fade for round face in ChatGPT, your article gets coded in the response. That's the win, right? Let me give you some additional use cases also. So for example, let's say affiliate marketers, right? Optimizing for AI searches. Now, local businesses optimizing for voice or conversational search. These are all examples. For example, other companies like structuring documentation to show up in AI responses. Some of the benefits of AEO, right? Definitely you have higher visibility in AI-generated answers. You can increase organic traffic without relying solely on SEO rankings. You can also future-proof your digital presence, shift from search to answers. What about the future? As AI continues to reshape how users access information, of course, AI is going to become the new SEO. And websites that don't adapt will slowly lose adaptability. And of course, they will not dominate anymore. Think of it as optimizing your content, not just for humans reading Google results, but for AI assistants delivering answers directly to users. So how are AGI and AEO different? Well, let's pause here for a minute, right? Now, these two terms, AGI and AEO, are so far apart in concepts, that's kind of funny that both fall under the AI umbrella. AGI is about building your brain, right, itself. Well, AEO is about winning the attention of that brain. AGI is the tech, something that we're building, hoping, theorizing about right now. It's like the engine of the AI revolution. Well, AEO is simply a strategy how we as humans adapt to the shift and stay visible in a world where search engines are being replaced by answer engines. So, long-term, one is long-term science fiction into facts, right? And the other, of course, is practical, tactical, and something you can start doing right now. So why should you care about either one of these? You might be thinking, cool story, right? But what does this mean for me? What's in it for me? Well, if you're a content creator, blogger, e-commerce seller, right? Or even just someone running a small business website, AEO is your new best friend. Traditional SEO is not dead, but it's evolving. Now, if you don't adapt your content for answer engines, you will definitely lose visibility to people asking questions through AI. Now, AGI, of course, on the other hand, is further down the road, like I mentioned earlier, but it definitely affects everyone. When AGI does show up, we're talking about a shift that could be as big as electricity or the internet itself. It could revolutionize the job market, creativity, ethics, and of course, everything else. The question becomes, are you preparing for AI that thinks for itself, or are you only focused on how to beat it to the top answer box? Let me give you the risks and challenges for AGI and AEO as well. Well, in AGI, for example, the biggest concern in AGI isn't just technical, it's ethical also. What happens if you actually succeed in building something smarter than humans, right? Do we give it control over decision making? What if its goals aren't aligned with ours? This is called the alignment problem. So super intelligent AGI could misinterpret commands in dangerous ways, even without bad intentions. For example, let's say you tell an AGI to fix climate change. Well, if it's super literal and super powerful, maybe it just reduces the human population to cut emissions, right? How about that? That's the kind of nightmare scenarios experts are worried about. So, alongside the race to build AGI, there's also a race to make it safe, fair, and controllable. For AEO, the risks are different, but still real at the same time. For example, answer engine optimization. You're putting your trust in AI models, how they interpret your content. But what if the AI misrepresents your message? What if you optimize articles perfectly, but another site's content, maybe even lower quality, gets picked instead because the AI misunderstood your context? Here's the bigger challenge. AI can hallucinate, which is common. So if an answer engine pulls a code from your site and adds its own creative flair, users might attribute incorrect info to you. Now that's a risk to your brand's reputation and accuracy. Also, AEO creates new content monopoly, or one answer wins and everyone else disappears, right? Now that could leave a lot of good content unseen and smaller creators pushed out entirely. So what's coming next? What is the future? In the next 2 to 3 years, right? AEO is going to explode, definitely. Platforms like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI and Meta are all racing to build the best answer engine. And content creators are already shifting focus from ranking on page 1 to being the answer itself. So you'll see tools, plugins, strategies built specifically for AEO itself. AGI is progressing quietly and rapidly as we speak. OpenAI, DeepMind, Anthropic, all in a silent arms race to create a first true general intelligence. It might take 5 years or so, or even 50, but when it arrives, it will be a game changer for sure. Till then, AEO is the most powerful practical step in the age of AI. So AGI is the horizon we're all watching, right? So here are the key takeaways. AGI is a dream machine that can do anything a human can across any domain or industries. It's powerful, game-changing, and still in development. AEO is real and now. It's how you make sure your content gets picked as the answer when people ask AI a question. So AGI helps build intelligence, whereas AEO helps you stay visible in that intelligent system. So whether you're a business owner, a tech nerd, or someone who wants to understand where the world is going, you now know the difference between two of the most important acronyms in modern AI. Whether you're worried about AGI or trying to master AEO, the key takeaway is don't ignore AI, engage with it. So stay informed on AGI's progress and ethical debates as well. Stay proactive about optimizing content for AI tools. So keep your content well structured and future ready. Because in both cases, the people who understand how the system works and adapt are the ones who will benefit the most. This helps clear things up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And Future of Tech is right here on ClayDesk. So drop a comment. Do you think AGI we should something fear or welcome? And are you already thinking about optimizing your content for AI answers? Let me know in comments down below. Thanks for watching. My name is Syed. I'll catch you in the next video.